Okay, so I got the exhaust fan with thermostat, but they provided the wrong thermostat. This one is the kind that goes for heating instead of cooling thermostat. You can see, like if it's on, you see the gap here on the contacts, right? At 50, if you set it to 50, that's when it's gonna, and it doesn't even work because it doesn't even make contact until I kind of help it along. See, watch this. I just press a little bit, it helps along. But at 50, it comes on, you know, and if you open it up at 120, like that, the gap widens, and that's when it turns off. The thermostat is the wrong thermostat. Like I said, this one is made for like a heating device instead of cooling device like the exhaust fan.
Captain, how about if you talk to the third position? Captain, we are approximately here. If we can get to here, the transatlantic cables